We are back and we are looking into the chemical activity of metals. Today we're going to be looking at 4 different types of metal. We're going to be looking at copper, magnesium, zinc, and also silver. You'll notice that silver is missing. Silver is pretty expensive, so if we had silver, high quality, pure form, we would not be randomly just reacting with other things to see if it does. That would just be something that would cost too much money. Because today we're focusing on the activity of different metals. So who is more reactive than the other? So if we look on this periodic table picture, take a look at where these metals are located. Copper, zinc, and silver are all near each other. And there's magnesium over in the second group, which is called the alkaline earth metals. Now for chemical activity, we've learned that as we head down the periodic table and also towards the left, chemical activity or reactivity is supposed to increase. Let's see if that all holds true, because we've got magnesium, the oddball, all the way to the left, and then we have zinc, copper, and silver all close together. So we're going to do some different reactions in order to see who reacts more than the others, and we'll be able to rate them. Before we get started with that though, let's take some observations of what we're starting with. So first we're starting with pure copper. If you look, pure copper, you've seen it before, like the coating on a penny. Take your observations, but that's an orangish brown, shiny metal. It is also malleable, right? So typical of metals. Magnesium and zinc look very similar. Magnesium has a silver color to it, a little bit of luster, not as much shine as zinc, but has a little bit of luster to it and is malleable as well. Go ahead and take that observation. And then zinc metal as well. We have a little zinc ribbon. It's lustrous, so it has a shine to it. It has a silver color, and it's also malleable and bendable. So we are going to test all 3 of those metals today in 3 different solutions. We're going to react it with copper 2 nitrate. We're going to react it with magnesium nitrate. We're going to react it with zinc nitrate. And we're also going to react it with silver nitrate. So this actually has silver in it. Now, we'll need to mix them together, so I'm going to move the camera so we can set up the lab, just like in your lab data table. And then after we let it sit for 5 minutes, we will see if anything reacts and take note of that. So let's get the lab set up.